Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for JasmyCoin, we are trading at 0.003876. 24-hour volume, we're up 17%. And market cap, we're down 1.19%. Heading over to our daily chart, I do have a chart pattern here to show you, which is a symmetrical triangle. And this is a neutral chart pattern. So essentially, if we are able to break up in an uptrend or break down in a downtrend, but we are looking into a support line that is creating a lot of lower high peaks and a trend line at the very top resistance that's creating a lot of higher low peaks. Now we see this one strand here on November 17th. The range of the candlestick was very neutral to the previous candlestick here on November 9th, which does show or had shown a lot of buying pressure. And again, a few of our candlesticks here coming to 78% of our fib. Now in the breakout if we do want Jasmy to essentially break out in an uptrend in the symmetric triangle, we need to be able to have our candlesticks close above the 78% here. We can see again a few rejection lines from this area of resistance. And if the body itself of our candlesticks can be able to jump and close above the 78%, it would be more promising for us to break out in an uptrend here. Now, what we do see in our stock RSI is a possible oversold signal here. So our RSI of our K line is at 86%, which is this white line here. Well, anything over 80% will be considered as oversold. If we take a look at the history of Jasmy, we have peaks here at 87, 100, 93, and 99 until we find these selling opportunities, and the price and the RSI itself go hand in hand and will go aggressively down. So it being at 86% right now, there is possible cause for the price to continue to go up. As we can see with the MACD indicator, pairing it up with our RSI, we can see that the transgression here is continuing to go up with these bars or histograms continuing to rise and grow. If we wanted the momentum to be as strong as the momentum here that we saw on October 25th, ultimately we need our signal line and our MACD line here to grow further apart. That gives us more of a signal that we will be closing above the 78%. Now let's head over to immediate short term for 2 hours. We can see here our parallel channel has broken off in the last couple of hours here, dating earlier of today. Now, what we can see and observe in this breakout is that we're continuously making a lot of higher or lower high peaks here. I just zoom in so it's easier for you guys to see. We can see lower high peaks. So the ranges of the candlesticks are getting aggressively higher. Now, what we do ultimately see in the candlesticks here is a resistance line at the 39021. So we could treat this as an ascending triangle. Again, very neutral of the chart pattern itself. Ascending triangles can be a continuation of this current uptrend that we have seen in Jasmy. But in order for that to occur again, a retest of the resistance line is necessary. And with our RSI that we do see here at the very bottom, it may trigger a buying opportunity. We see the K line and the D line very close together. And as soon as we see the K line surpass the D line here, so the white line coming on the right hand side, that's going to give us a buy signal as we are considered to be oversold right now with an RSI of 9%. And also, if that does trigger that buying opportunity, what will break this resistance line is our MACD indicator as well. And we can see that we have a light colored histogram or bar itself, and that may help die this momentum down, this bear momentum, and push us past the resistance line and close above the 61% back into our channel itself. So that's my update for Jasmy. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely let me know down below in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel, but I'll see you next time.